Hello. So we are back Tuesday morning, and it's just a beautiful day outside. It's in the morning, exactly 9 o'clock. I'm here before 9 o'clock, and the other people, they are coming like 9:30. So, quite in the morning. What do we have today? We have a sad job. Actually, the job is sad because the customer tried to repair it on the Apple store, and they say it cannot be repaired. Which is sad. Okay, so let's see if we can fix it. The laptop, it is coming on, yeah. So we have the green light on the charger. It is coming on. The fan is spinning at full speed, and we have no startup sound or any picture. Okay, so from what I know, oh, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Sorry. This I think we have a board from this model. Yeah, this one. So this has a particular fault with the RAM memory. Yeah. So usually we even this board, which is a spare board, you can see the RAM memory has been soldered before. So we can expect like RAM issue because the laptop, it is coming on. I don't understand why the fan is spinning at full speed, but we can check. We can check. Okay. Maybe we can help this customer. Let me find the right screwdriver. Yeah. Maybe we can help him. We can fix the laptop. And also we have spares, so there's no reason. What we don't have the schematic. So we have no schematic. This is not a good sign, but hopefully it will be something simple. I'm kind of a morning person. I'm gonna wake up like every day, like around 4 o'clock. I have to coffees, read the news, YouTube. I start watching in the last few weeks aircraft disasters. You know, the airplane, they get crashed, and there are a lot of people, they are doing videos about what happened there and the final report. It's pretty interesting. It catch me a lot, so I'm watching a lot of this. Hi. Yeah, morning. The printer is not working. I'm really sorry. Sorry? Yeah, try, yeah. Thank you. And yeah, the laptop is quite clean. But it's not the same model like with the board I have. So the RAM memory is here. But it's slightly different model. Okay. Let's plug the charger. Now let's see what we can do. So you plug the charger, the fan is spinning normally, and it starts spinning at full speed. And we have no picture on the screen. Let's check some things, yeah? Let's get the multimeter. We have the multimeter on screen. Okay, that's the 5 volts coil. That's the battery charging one. 1.2, that's the RAM voltage, and it's right. Okay. So I suppose we have a RAM memory problem. 3.3 volts power supply, which is fine. The main power rail. Where is the main power rail? $11.3, which is, it's not right, yeah? Or it is? $11.3. It's not supposed to be 12.5 or 12.8? You see, that's the downside when you don't have a schematic. One volt here, this probably is graphics. Nothing. Why we have no voltage on the processor? Okay, that can be a problem. I know these are like two stages, and you should have one coil with voltage and one not. One is coming on only when you the processor need more processing power. But it's nothing, it's no voltage here. The processor is cold, but I suppose because the fan is spinning at full speed. I think that's our problem. There's no voltage here. You have no voltage on the processor, which is not normal. So there's no even point thinking about the RAM if we have no voltage on the processor. Okay, I suppose we have to take the board out and see what we can do. But the fault is clear. And if I remember the driver, because obviously here is not a problem with the MOSFETs. You can see I have 4 MOSFETs to coil here. There's no point checking the MOSFETs, you know, they got shorted or they're working. But I know on the other side you have this is the driver of those MOSFETs. This one. So we have to check what's going on there. Hopefully the chip is faulty, we can replace it and we have a working laptop. But I can only hope. At least looks like a easy fault. Usually when you have power supply issues, that's okay. That's something what we can fix. or anyone can fix. But when you have weird faults like RAM memory issue, you have to resolder the RAM. So actually, it's nothing what you can check. You are trying to fix it by luck, by starting resoldering randomly RAM memories. Okay, let's start unplugging things. The question is, we can be better than Apple? I don't think they are fixing. I don't think they have people trying to fix the motherboards. Probably replace, but not fix. Keyboard. Morning. Yeah, yeah. How? Ready what? Which laptop? You have to come back probably like 20 minutes. Because the other people will be here like 20 minutes.
The one that has a motherboard problem?
Give me 1 second. Oh, sorry. I'm alone, and like how I said, they will come probably like 20 minutes. Wait, we have one more cable here. Look, I can see some liquid damage there. But the sticker is white. The water damage sticker, it's white. But I can see there clearly some liquid damage. I can see it. Let's have a look there. We can fix this MacBook just by cleaning? Let's see. So what's there? This is liquid damage. True or not? And it's exactly behind of the processor. So can be this a reason why the laptop can die? Can be if the capacitor is shorted. Okay, let's try and clean it. Morning. Yeah, you? You know the Mac from yesterday? You said the people tried to fix it on the Apple Store? Yeah, it found some liquid damage on the back of the board. Yeah. No, not a lot. Just a spot.
But the other.
One second. The other MacBook, I'll put it all back together. Let me finish with this one. Okay, it looks fine. So I did expect more damage here, but let's check with the multimeter that capacitor, diode mode. And it's not short. Clearly that capacitor has to be replaced. That's no question about it. Yeah? But I can't see a reason why the processor doesn't have voltage. And it's not because that capacitor. Okay? So let's quickly test again. We get a multimeter, volts. Let's see. And no, we still don't have voltage. Let me see if the board is on. The board it is on. I have graphics voltage, but not the processor. So here we still have nothing. Here and here. Yeah, we have nothing. It's just that. So let's try something else. Yeah. Let's have a look on that chip, which I told you. Let's see together. Because that's the driver. Yeah, this one. Do we have any voltage there? Maybe the chip doesn't have voltage. We don't know yet. And we have 12.6, you can see on the multimeter. So the chip does have voltage. Okay, so let's replace the chip. There's no point wasting time, because the fault looks obvious. I mean, we have no voltage on the processor. Okay, let's replace this quickly. Okay, the chip is out. Let's get the chip from the other board. Yeah. So let's get the chip out from here. It's not the same chip. Yeah, it is the same chip. Yeah, the same one. Okay. $400 only. I can't see, sorry. Looks fine. Okay. Okay. That's all. Let's cool down the board quickly. And hopefully we are right and it's working. Let's see, do we have voltage or not? That's the question. Because we replaced the chip. Warning. Let me get the multimeter. Volts. In 1 second. You know what? It's weird. So replace that chip for nothing. It's still doing nothing. So I suppose we can concentrate on this damage area and replace the components. But it's weird, like how I said. So looks like the chip is good, but it's not starting because of a different reason. So the chip probably is not receiving the the signal to start. So let's replace this capacitor. Okay. Probably I should get some schematics for Mac. Actually, let's check the other resistors, yeah? Let me change the nozzle on my solder iron. Let's check if those resistors are soldered. Yeah.
But I told her about the screen and I told her that it's a 50-50 chance. So, what do you personally think?
I have to check. But the problem is the screen is cracked and you have to take out the screen. Okay, that's gone. This is okay. And this is okay, yeah? So those are soldered, but not that one. That one, the track is gone. So where that track is going? Or is ground? My alcohol bottle is empty. You know, I should do this first before replacing that chip. Because most likely I replaced it for nothing. So let's see what track is that one, yeah? It is ground. Lol, this is a shorted thing. So from here to here it's a short. But we'll see that after, yeah? Now let's try and see what's going on with this. And I can't see, the components are so small. If this is no ground, then it's no ground. No, the track is okay, and this is ground, yeah? But this is ground, the other one is ground. So the tracks are fine. Yeah, the tracks are okay. Let's come with the other resistor from the other board. Yeah. But you see how small are the components. You know what, I think I'm too old for these things. Because you really need patience to work with those small components and good eyes. Especially good eyes. That's fine, it's soldered. Let's have a look on the other board. Where is the capacitor? It's not sure. That's not right. Okay, that's wrong. So that can be a problem. So what this capacitor is doing? Because it's not supposed to be short. I just check on the other board. You can't see on the screen. On the other multimeter we have like 0, 0. Okay, let's get the power supply because looks like I have to go on my way with this. We have like 1 volt, around 2 amps. Let's see, which is the hot point. So here is not short. Here is not short. Oh, sorry, maybe it's not ground. Okay, this 0.5 volts and this 0.9. Okay, the short is the hot spot is this. So here is supposed to be a power rail, which is not, and it's short. Let's try with some alcohol. Let's see if something around here is getting hot. It's taking like 800 milliamps. Where is my petrol? My petrol. Let's raise the voltage. 1.9 volts. It's taking 1.2 amps. I can't see anything here on this area. And now a thermal camera will be great. So the short is not the capacitor itself. But we have like 1.1 amps is getting here. The capacity, the resistors are fine. I'm 100% sure about that. So what can get hot? You know, let's lower the voltage just to be sure we are not burning anything. 0.9 volts. This current is going somewhere. Okay, let's go with 2 volts. .2 amps. Like I feel something around here. But I'm not sure what it is. Can be on the other side, can be. Yeah. I should buy a camera. Oh, I burned bad. Oh. One more time. Something there. It's crazy hot. Crazy. Let's switch on the mic. The microscope. What it is? Yeah. What's that? What's that? This thingy is getting mad hot. You can't see it? Yeah, that thingy. This one. So I will come with the voltage on, off. On, 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 off. What's that thing? What that thing is doing? Okay, so what happened here? The liquid damage. Because of the liquid damage, this thing got burned. Okay, let's replace it. Maybe it's not even faulty. Maybe it's something shorted after this thingy, whatever it is. Okay. But the easy way is to remove it and replace it because we have it. That's the easy way. The moment when you start being sorry you don't have a schematic. It's not even here. Okay, it's gone. Good. Now let's remove this thingy, whatever it is, from the other board. Some chip doing something. Some regulator, some switching power supply, who knows? Who knows? Okay, let's get this thingy and solder here. Okay. Okay, that's great. Let me comb with my flux. The rosin flux. Not this. I need rosin flux. I'll get some rosin with my solder iron. Because we have to be sure we solder this thingy properly. Air pressure is too high. Now it's too low. Let's higher the temperature. Now let me get a bigger nozzle. So we have to see that chip sliding, otherwise we are not moving forward. Okay? More air. Oh yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, now it's soldered. Did you see how the chip comes by itself? Now it's okay. Let's check for short. And it's not short anymore. Hopefully it's working. And hopefully we have voltage on the CPU. Charger. Okay, let's get the multimeter, on-screen multimeter, and check together. .9, you can see on the screen, 1.9 volts. So we have voltage on the processor right now. Do we have any picture? It's no hard drive there. So it will take a while to display the message. I don't want to be funny, but 1.9 is not too much. It's not. It's working. Yeah, so we have picture. It's 1.9. Let's check again. .9. Well, if it's working, what do I have to do? I need to clean the board, and I suppose we are fine, yeah? What do you think? So, what conclusion we can get from a job like this? I should focus on the damage area instead of just replacing, because I believe if it's no voltage of the processor, let's replace that chip instead of ignoring the liquid damage area. True or not? True or not? And we have the Apple logo, and it start loading the Windows operating system, but it's loading slowly because it's not touchpad, and you know it's a temperature sensor on the touchpad. But from my point of view, it's working fine. So we saved the laptop. We fixed what Apple couldn't, which make me feel good somehow. Okay. So I'll stop now, I'll clean the board, I'll put it all back together. But that was the issues, and I don't know what is this. Look how small it is, you can't even see it. If you have a schematic, just let me know what this thing is. I suppose it's just some power regulator for something. Okay? Yeah? So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. But I'm not an Apple guy, so actually we're not fixing too many Apple laptops here. Because we don't have Apple laptops coming here, too many. We have a lot of the other laptops, any other stuff, but not Macs. I don't know why. But if I will have more, probably on some point I will try to learn, to get the schematic board view and try a different approach. Okay? I'll see you on the next one. Bye.